All right, we are going Bow Falls. See the landmark from here. This road going up. We are going down. Look at this, going down. I had no idea. This is my first time. Even the internet have not a lot of information over there. I parked my vehicle over there on the top. Just start walking. Coming to this place from the main road Baguio, you need to come very steep. The road was very high and steep. Seriously, for another half a kilometer up, then now we are going down. Lucky enough, that lady gave me help. There is no one to ask over here. My good time, I saw her. The rain just stopped. Look at me. I was soaking wet 5 minutes ago over there. This is going to be hard on my knees when I go up. Right now it's 11:55. That Colorado waterfalls was closed, so my bad luck, I couldn't visit that. Either way, still plenty of place to go. That will be for next time. I will visit that place. It's fine. Wow. Whenever you see banana tree, that means people are here. I don't think so. If I come alone, I don't think I will make it up for this part. So this is the actual way. I can hear the noise. So this is the way to come down. Huh? Okay. Wow, I can hear the noise. What a noise. Finally. Yeah, my electricity meter over here. About Baguio, the rain will be 10 minutes, then stop, it become misty, then clear sky. We don't know. Just go with the flow. It's going down. The water sound is more. I don't know. I can fly my drone out here. You can try. There's another way going up. See that? Thank you. So where is your house?
There.
Your house is there. You came for me. There's a good Samaritan. Very good locals are there. Right. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay. It's a good lady with a good heart. Either way, the downing almost like what, 10 minutes down, going back double the time. That's the situation. So fine, at least we find the falls. That is our important thing. We came here to explore. We are exploring. Wow, there's a house there. Whew. Finally, I'm here. Wow, that's a nice place. Beautiful place. Look at it. Woo! Wow. Let's get it. That's nice. Wow. Blue water, crystal clear. Fantastic. Let's go up. I'm really happy to found this place. Seriously happy. Wow. Look at it. Yeah. This is it. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. It is really very hard to come over here. There is no regular path. You need to walk through the river bed. I took a drone shot because in this walk path I cannot video and walk at the same time because very hard. So I took the drone shot. I show you the drone shot how to come over here. I couldn't see any other path. Otherwise, I don't know how to come over here. There's only two reasons. So much here. Woo! Wow. Woo! Very cold. Very cold. Seriously cold. Woo. Wow. Look at this. Woo. Very cold. Fantastic. I highly recommend for everyone. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cold water. Very good jump. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Bye bye. Mwah.